Hi guys, we got this mushroom kit from Kenyan Farm. My turn. Okay guys, this is the pink oyster one, and now we are going to plant it. Now we need to follow the instructions. Okay, now guys, we need to cut it. The scissors.
Okay.
Rip it open. So let's just rip it off. Yeah, let's rip it off. Now we need to cut the mushrooms straight. Yeah, get the scissors. Gently cut. Yeah, must be an X, huh? One X. But not so gentle, can cut the plastic out. Okay, there you go. It's kind of a bit. Cut it a little more, cut it a little more. Cut it. Sorry, cut. Okay. Now we need to peel this open. Can you peel? Peel. Like peel. Peel it open. Okay, done. Now we gotta spray the water with this. Spray. Okay, my turn. My turn. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we need to spray every day, and this is definitely going to grow unlimitedly. So, bye. Hi guys, this day 2 of mushroom is doing great because it's all brown. So, very brown. Okay, bye. Hi guys, we have found a good place for the mushroom. We got a very good airflow, and this is day 3. The mushroom is popping out, so we have to cut it, or else we couldn't collect it. But the 2 haven't grown yet, so let's wait. Okay guys, this is day 4 of the mushroom growing. The mushroom really big. Just found a mushroom just dropped. So okay, I think oyster is kind of slow. It's like no progress done, but it's slowly growing. But this one is madness. And this is day 4. Bye. Okay guys, here are the mushrooms. Do you know why here is so big? Because it's growing like crazy. These are the pink oysters. It just grew a little bit. It's half it. And look at the golden mushroom. They're growing like crazy. And we are gonna harvest it tomorrow, guys. Okay, now
Today is which day?
Today is the 5th day of the mushroom kit from Kenyan. Now we are going to harvest it. Now how I harvest it. How to pull it now?
You pull it from the bottom.
Sorry, how you?
Yeah.
Okay, I help you a little bit.
Nice. Wow.
So crazy. Can I help?
Okay. Okay.
Can we all help?
可以了 loosen 了 just take out. No, just pull up.
Pull the whole thing.
Maybe tilt this way.
Pull.
Okay.
Pop out.
Whoa.
Such a cute one.
Okay. Now it's your turn.
You tilt this way.
Oh.
Nice.
Okay.
Now it's whose turn?
Okay, now there's no more mushroom.
Too broke.
What about that one? If now you're gonna have a seed because it looks mature.
You pluck from bottom like this. Like this.
Oh. Wow.